Well, good morning as I'm watching this empty longboat come up. It is, when is it? It is Monday, 14th, 15th, 16th. Monday, the February 17th. Good morning. And we're going to have a fun day, an interesting day, a sobering day. And you'll see when you see the video if I can ever get any videos uploaded. This is my problem. I've been trying to upload the video from 2 days ago for now it's 36 hours. And it keeps failing and it's going really slow. So I don't know if I'm going to get anything uploaded, but at some point I will. So stick around.
I'm gonna go watch the movie. I'll see you.
Okay, we are at the Hellfire Pass Museum. How can I explain this? So real quickly, it kind of ties into the bridge over River Kwai. The Japanese used thousands and thousands of prisoners and Burmese indentured servants to build this railway that went from the bottom of Thailand up to Burma, up to the north. And they had to cut through mountains in some cases. And the prisoners had to do that by hand. They were barefoot, they were malnourished. And this particular area was the worst, I guess, in terms of the cutting. So you can kind of see the river down here. Sorry about the finger. We were going to walk to the cutting. However, I don't know if you can tell or see the smoke. There are brush fires. It's dry season, and this whole place which is sad because I think the scenery is gorgeous. It would be gorgeous, but we can't do the hike. So we just have to stay at the hotel, or not the hotel, at the museum. So this would be the area where we would start the walk. So yeah, it's beautiful. There's a whole different group of tourists out here. This is the cut that the prisoners made in the rocks for the railroad, and they did it all by hand. They worked 18 hours a day. Just brutal. And this is what it would look like out there if there was no smoke. And again, that's where the tracks were laid. This is not the part that was really horrible and that they had to cut into the rock. And more of the mountain that was cut. Crazy. And this is the memorial wall for the POWs that died during the construction. I don't know exactly how many. Passed away, but a lot. And up here, the smoke isn't too bad. There's the interpretive center. And we're getting ready to go. There's our bus. Yay! We are going to see a waterfall, but there's all kinds of food stands here. All right, this is a fig tree, and those are all figs. Wow. Oh well, so we are at a little waterfall. It's not part of the national park, but it's charming. And you can tell the rocks are calcium carbonate. Just by the way it looks, I'm pretty sure calcium carbonate. I think my scientist friends will correct me. Very pretty though. And this is a locomotive that was used actually in the construction of the Death Railway. I guess it would bring supplies up the track that they have finished. All right, we are at our lunch stop, and this is a cooking demonstration. You're cooking morning glory. And, okay, here we go. Morning Glory cooking demonstration. That is a hot walk. That is a hot... Okay. Oh my gosh. No, what's going to happen? Not quite ready. Not quite ready.
Getting hotter.
Getting hotter. Getting hotter. Getting hotter. Yeah. Oh Lord, look at how hot that is. Really? Good. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Woo! Everybody smile. I'm here. Everybody smile. Wave. Everybody wave. Very good. And this is where we had lunch. I am so full I can barely move. I had half a huge beer, and now we're going to go ride on an air-conditioned train. So this will be fun. And here is our train. The air conditioning is the open windows. And Gong is helping us. All right, and we are in the train. It's actually nice. He did. Wait. Thank you. All right, the train is moving, and we are going by a rubber plantation, and we've got banana plants, we've got bamboo, banana, and like I said, we're moving. All right, so.
That's where we were yesterday.
Whoa, that's pretty. So here we are. We're getting ready to go over the most scenic section of the railway. There's Mary Beth. I'm sorry.
No, I wanted to get
Oh, I'm all sweaty. Oh, yeah.
See, there's the...
All right, this is the railway we just came on. So this is a famous wooden bridge.
Oh, God,
And there's a fountain. Okay, we came in on the train, on the track. This is part of the Death Railroad, and this was cut out by the prisoners and the Ramusha, I think they're called. That would be the indentured servants from Burma. And this is such a beautiful, peaceful area. But Nuno told us that this was where one of the prisoner camps were, who worked on housing the prisoners who worked on the Death Railroad. So troubled past in these lands, but now beautiful resort. Okay, well, because Hellfire Pass, we could not walk there to see the rock cutting. Our wonderful guide has arranged for us to come to an archaeological site that is literally in the neighborhood. So this is our next stop. Okay, so this is the temple. It's Cambodian style. It's kind of like Angkor Wat, he said. And we will learn more about it as we walk around it. And here's part of the ancient wall for the temple. And there is I don't know if you could see that. Yeah, there's a Buddha in there. But he's fake. Not fake, but not the original. The original is in a museum. This is a replica. Okay, we are inside the temple complex. This is very cool. All right, we're inside, sort of. There's no roof. But the white is plaster. It used to be plastered. So I bet that was gleaming. And now we have a little Buddha. And this whole temple was to the future Buddha. So we named him Buddha Wannabe. It's really an amazing, a really cool site. All right, this is another little museum. Nano says, said Nano, that's Robin Williams, says that there were very few items in it, so I have opted to skip it. So we're going back in the air-conditioned bus. And I am on the way to the reception, the building with the restaurant and reception. But it's just a beautiful, beautiful place. And I wanted to show it to you at night. It's kind of magical. All right. I am coming up to the building that has the restaurant. I'm going to go to reception. That's one floor below the restaurant. I'm going to turn this off because I'll kill myself on these steps if I try to film. So this is just a little relaxation area. A few steps up from the restaurant. To just want to hang out and get eaten by mosquitoes. But I do have to say that I'm using the Thai mosquito repellent that one can buy at 7-Eleven. And oh, I love the torches. And it's doing a great job, and it's not all gross like the DEET stuff is, and you don't have to get it off the second you put it on. So yeah, I'm pleased with that. Not really. All right, here we go. We are going to a performance of Mon dance, Burmese dancing, they said. So here we go. All right, the musicians are warming up. This is going to be really cool. It's a 20-minute show. Don't worry, I'm not going to film the whole 20 minutes. All right, this is the first song they're doing, and almost all the dancers and the musicians, they all work at the resort. These kids are so cute. All right, grand finale.